Beautiful, beautiful. Take a quick walk around here. Got one stage here. Vendors everywhere. As far as the eye can see. Trying to do this to keep this thing steady. Beautiful day. All kinds of vendors out. Trying to do this without shaking the camera too much, but it is what it is. Let's go down here and take a look, see. I'm used to recording horizontal, not vertical, but look at that. All the food trucks you can imagine, food trailers. On the opposite side of the courthouse. Trying to do all this within 3 minutes so I can make a short out of it. It's amazing. I love it. Yeehaw! Got the bouncy houses and stuff over here. Alright, I better cut this. Hope you guys enjoy. Like, subscribe, take care of one another.